It doesn't heal. It doesn't make things better. Time is a circle, repetitive circle of the same events over and over again. Birth, fear, loss, love, death. Time is a trap. It holds you longer in pain than it does in happiness. Time is a killer. Having the time is controlling the cycle. Are you though? Imagine you live, you love, you trust, and when you trust, you do so with every inch of your body. And you start seeing things. You see that you think you're somebody else, but you aren't. You are who you are, and you don't understand. I scream at you, at your friends, at your stupid pale face, at your ugly eyes, at your ugly deeds. And there's an army to chant, to shout my name, to worship me at others enough time. But then taking the city apart in my name and seeing you in the bell garden, then breathing the air you exhaled, you people. Man in the face of wine and wine in the face of men, lying and smiling, hiding behind the small talks, staring cruel monsters, figuring yourself as an angels. Are you in my people? Are you in my planet? Why are you so monsters? Why are you so simulation? Why am I so stimulated? Why am I so dumb? Where are you going? Do I look weak? I am on the ground. Looks like a perfect moment to strike. To take over my crown, to take over my mind. If you can do it to equal, then are you that strong? If you have to blame the victim to look worthy, then are you really worthy? If you have to smile to hide what's inside, is there anything inside? The time had you bad and the time made you liar. Time made you butcher. You butcher yourselves and each other. Time will have the time and will make it destroy you. But time is the lion. It starts when it ends, and it is a circle. I could have already destroyed you. I am the enemy of the collective memory. I am brutal and crazy.